This area is now stuck and there is my tool. I a little bit bent that. Okay, good. And now these two parts opens. Firstly, look, this is shock. This is so easy to open, and here is this spring part, and it is like a little bit now stuck in there, up area. Interesting. Okay, and now this spring is free. Okay, and this is then this upper dust shield area in here, and this is like this upper part in this area, and then this reverse installation is same. And now we can, by the way, see that how this my spring is broken. Look, this is really bad broken spring. Rare spring is really cut and broken. It happens so that when we look in that up area, and there is really happening so that this is cut, these parts, look, and very up area, difficult positions to see, but these kind of things, they keep sound, and we can look closer that we can see that there is this cut area in here, and then I little bit bend this spring that I can take them away, and now this spring drops. Okay, and really in this their upper area there is this rubber elastic part, and this was really situation that this my spring was cut in this upper area in here. Very interesting situation. And these parts, they belongs in this way together. But I had spring cut in up area, and that kind of things makes sound in my car when I drive in bumpy roads.